Friends, I landed a super cool startup. The boss says I'm an independent contractor, $30 an hour, and not a penny deducted from my monthly salary. I'm my own boss. $8,000? I clearly earned $40,000. How can I have to pay another $8,000? And last week I was sick and took leave, and my boss not only didn't give me paid sick leave, but also deducted $200 from my pay. This isn't freedom, this is a ripoff! Silas! You're not some independent boss, you're a free blood bank for the company to evade 30% of labor costs. That's called employee misallocation.
Hi everyone, I am Silas. During tax season, countless international students and recent graduates are fooled by the high salary of 199, ending up bankrupt by the end of the year. Today, in 8 minutes, I'll teach you how to use federal tax law to get back all the overtime pay and taxes your boss has swallowed.
Why do bosses love issuing 1099s so much? Because if you issue a W-2, they have to pay 7.65% of your Social Security and Medicare taxes. If you issue a 1099, all that money is dumped on your head. First, you not only have to pay your own Social Security contribution, but also your boss's, a total of 15.3%. Second, 199 means you have no paid annual leave, no sick leave, no company health insurance, and no unemployment benefits if you're fired. You can work 80 hours a week and still only get a fixed salary.
But I signed a contract saying I agree to be an independent contractor. Once I signed, can I go back on my word?
In the face of American labor law, the name on the contract is just a piece of paper. What determines your status isn't the contract, but the IRS's control test.
Got it. As long as I can prove I'm actually being used as a W-2 employee, I can fight back. So how do I gather evidence?
You have to clock in at 9 every day. Wear the company uniform. Use my script. Secret Weapon 1, Behavioral Control Evidence.
The real 199 is, I don't care how you do it, just the results. But if the boss dictates what time you arrive, what clothes you wear, and what script you use, screenshot. Save it. That's definitely a W-2. Secret Weapon 2. Evidence of financial control. Did you use your own computer and software, or did the company provide you with the equipment? Does the company reimburse your travel expenses? Collect equipment receipts and reimbursement records. This is irrefutable evidence. Secret Weapon 3. Core business relationships. If you're a programmer at a software company and a chef at a restaurant, your job is the company's core business that makes money, then you're 99% likely a misclassified employee. Screenshot the team introduction on the company's website. After gathering the evidence, don't argue with your boss. Just drop nuclear bombs on the 2 federal agencies! Weapon 1, IRS Form SS-8. After submitting this worker status confirmation form, the IRS will personally check your boss's water meter. If it's determined to be incorrect, the IRS will directly order the company to pay all the taxes owed to you, plus a huge penalty. You'll never have to pay that wrongful self-employment tax again. Weapon 2. A complaint to the Wages and Hours Division, WDT, of the Department of Labor. Not only can we claim our first ever path overtime claim every get inmilinas, stat only back to the 1.5 times overtime pay they illegally withheld, but we can also demand double compensation. Your boss owes you $10,000 in overtime pay. The Department of Labor will make him cough up $20,000. Don't let freelancing become a felon for exploiting you. Work is for earning money, not for paying your boss's taxes. Recognize your legal status, pick up your weapons, tatty, and reclaim every penny of your hard-earned money. I've put the download link for the official IRS SS-8 form and the evidence collection checklist in the description below. Where you hold like if I blulingst praesixider, it's perdellings play 6 from Scuther. Were you ever tricked into signing a 1099 when you were looking for a job? Tell us in the comments. If you think this video saved your porridge, like and subscribe.
Knowledge is power!
We invite you to subscribe and like our video. See you next time.